This BuLuTu Muslin Baby Blanket in the 47 by 59-inch size feels exceptionally soft against delicate skin thanks to its double layer, cotton gauze, and light puffy filling. The blanket is warm yet breathable, so it works well in an air-conditioned room during summer and layers comfortably through cooler seasons without feeling bulky on a toddler. Its galsang flower print on a neutral background adds a gentle vintage look that makes a nursery or toddler bed feel thoughtfully put together rather than overly cutesy. The generous rectangular size is practical for crib use, stroller rides, and travel naps, so one blanket can follow a child from infancy through the preschool years. Care is straightforward because the quilted construction holds up in the washing machine and the fabric tends to soften further after repeated laundering. Overall, it feels like a well-made everyday blanket that combines cozy comfort, pretty design, and real-world practicality for both babies and parents.